Hello girls, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing 3 simple and quick hairstyles, and you can do these hairstyles under a minute. So let's get started. For the first hairstyle, grab some hair from the front and now tie a small knot at the crown. And secure the end with a bobby pin. And that's it. This is how it looks like. Now for the second hairstyle, grab all the hair into a ponytail and secure it with the elastic band. Now make a small opening in the middle, and then I am grabbing my ponytail and pulling the hair through the gap. Make sure to pull half of the hair and not the full hair. And our updo is done. For the final hairstyle, pull all your hair in a high ponytail. And now make a 2 equal section from it and twist both the section. Now wrap one of the section like a clockwise around the ponytail and secure the end. Wrap another section like a anti-clockwise around the ponytail and secure the ends. And our hairstyle is completed. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and keep smiling. Bye.